Yeet. All right.
Okay.
That was more dangerous than I expected it to be.
Me too.
But it worked super easy.
Oh, man.
All right, Matt. What are we up to today?
So we're going to take these tremendously hideous lug nuts off here that are mismatched.
Yeah, they're aluminum and corroded AF.
Yeah, and we're going to remove the wheel, remove the rotor pads and caliper because we're trying to replace this pretty bad wheel bearing. You should hear it when we're driving. I almost wish we had video of
Audio of it. Sounds like a helicopter.
It does, like a prop plane or a helicopter or whatever. So that needs to be replaced. So that's where we're going to start. We're going to start by pulling these lug nuts off. These are so bad.
And you can see it's kind of been at the bottom of the ocean, so...
Yeah, but they're Brembos.
There's Brembos under there. Oh yeah.
Rembos.
Rembo. So yeah, we're gonna take the caliper apart, which is like a couple bolts on the back there. Hopefully they all come out of there.
Yeah.
Alright dudes, we got the caliper off. And we're gonna try and get this cap off of here next. You can definitely hear the bearing chatter in there. And the cap has kind of made itself one with the hub, so hopefully this isn't terribly awful.
Yeah, hopefully.
And maybe possibly reusable.
One way or another, we're reusing something.
Like a glove that came off. Off glove?
Actually, the inside's pretty clean.
Yeah. And that's supposedly what, a 32 mil?
That's what I understand.
Okay, well, we'll probably have to use a chisel or something to unkink that. I got maybe a smaller punch or something. Alright, we got 2 jaw puller on here. If that doesn't work, we'd put a 3rd jaw on it, but hopefully 2 jaws enough. Hit her with a Dougie. Oh, right off. Keep going. Yeet! Alright.
Okay.
That was more dangerous than I expected it to be.
Me too.
But it worked super easy.
Oh, man, that was perfect.
We probably could have tugged that one off of there.
Yeah, yeah. A little bit of old grease.
Actually, it's old grease, but the spindle looks fine.
Yeah, it does. It looks pretty good.
So, yeah, clean her up and we'll put the new one on, eh?
Yeah. Little kitty.
Oh, I've greased it.
Greasy pussy.
Greasy pussy. Alright, so our inner race was stuck. So we used a chisel to kind of make a gap in there. And now we have this pry bar in there. And we're able to pry it right off.
Woo-wee.
Well, till the end.
Ta-da! Look, you cleaned all the grease off, too.
Alright, Matt, strap the grease gun on his foot.
Right on my big toe. I wouldn't doubt that it's broken, honestly.
Alright, I know you're in pain, but I got a rag over here.
Yeah. I gotta walk off.
Feel how warm this is.
I don't care.
You can feel it over the paint?
I don't care.
Alright guys, we warmed the bearing up in the house, and it's probably like maybe 30, 40 degrees outside here. American temperature. Oh wow.
Sure, it should go on that easy.
Goes right on. So yeah, keep that warm, keep that cold. That's a nice thing about a big heavy electric grease gun. You drop it on
You
your
know,
foot.
it's completely unnecessary. And I realized, like, as soon as it happened, I realized if I dropped a normal grease gun on my foot, this would not be this bad right now. It sucks so bad.
It's already better.
Already better.
Not my toe though.
His toe is effed up. Alright, we definitely torqued this to the right spec and didn't just run it with the impact.
No, never do that.
Yeah, nope. And Matt's gonna set the lock nut in there. Maybe. That's fine. Ain't going anywhere. Alright, and that is how you change your hub.
Or break a toe.
Or break a toe. Obviously you gotta put the brakes back on. Same 4 bolts, boom, done.
Yep. You should definitely like, subscribe, and the new Patreon is going to come out to save my toe. You should definitely put some money towards that. Otherwise, peace out, guys, and enjoy not having broken toes. Broke-ass performance is what it stands for.